Dear students, we shall do some problems from NEET JEE and all today. Very simple problems. If question number 1, if force F, length L, and time T are fundamental dimensions, find the dimension. What would be dimensional density? What would be the dimension of density? Dimension of density. So very simple problem. Density is dimension is find. So density rho is equal to m by L cube. That is ml raised to minus 3. Rather ml raised to minus 3. ml raised to minus 3. ml raised to minus 3. Now force dimension is given. Force we know force is equal to ml t minus 2. So what is F here? M is equal to F divided by L t minus 2. So rho is equal to, for M here, rho is equal to, M put F by L t minus 2 into L cube. So L raised to minus 4, t square is required dimension. L raised to minus 4, t raised to 1 is the required dimension. Sorry, see, t raised to 1 is the required dimension. Here, Mr. Small mistake is here. T raised to minus 1 is the required dimension. This answer. Very simple problem. Next problem is similar type only. From this portion, Q2, very similar problem. Density, acceleration due to gravity, and frequency are fundamental units. If density rho, acceleration due to gravity g, and frequency nu are fundamental quantities. Find dimensions of force. Find dimension formula. Find dimensions of force. Dimension of force. So what is density? Force is equal to, right? All of you know it. M L T minus 2. See, density, we are given density. What is density? All of you know. Density is equal to ml raised to minus 3. So what is, instead of m, you substitute, find out m from here and substitute there. Rho by L raised to minus 3 is equal to rho L cube. So your force you get as, what is force for you here? Force is equal to rho L cube L into t raised to minus 2. That is rho L raised to 4 t raised to minus 2. I suppose I'm correct. Now, what is L? L you find out from acceleration due to gravity. G is equal to LT minus 2. So what is L? L will be G by T raised to minus 2 or GT square. G by T raised to minus 2, GT square. Put here that one. So put for L. L is GT raised to minus 2. So F is equal to rho L instead of L, GT raised to minus 2 the whole square raised to 4. L raised to 4, T raised to minus 2. So this is equal to rho G raised to 4, T raised to 8 into T raised to minus 2. Rho G raised to 4, T raised to 6. Now what is T? Given nu is equal to 1 by T. 1 by T. Therefore, T is equal to 1 by nu. Put there. So F is equal to, put here T raised to minus 6 instead of this one. 1 by T is equal to nu. T is equal to 1 by nu. Rho G raised to 4. 1 by nu raised to minus 6. 1 by nu raised to minus 6. Sorry, plus 6 it is. Plus 6. Okay, plus 6. It is plus 6. So, rho raised to 4. Rho G raised to 4. Nu raised to 6 is the required answer. This has come for examinations with entrance examination. Now, very similar problem. Q3. Find dimension 4. Find dimension impulse. Find dimensions of dimensional formula for impulse. What is impulse? You must be knowing now. Impulse taking velocity density and frequency as fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantity. You can try this problem. Very similar to answer. Answer is rho V raised to 4 nu raised to minus 3. Next problem is, we will do it here. Find the dimension of linear momentum. Find dimension of linear momentum. Find dimension of linear momentum. And surface tension. Surface tension. In terms of velocity, V, density rho, and frequency nu. So what is linear momentum? P is equal to, linear momentum is equal to, P is the linear momentum. Linear momentum MV is equal to MLT minus 1. Find out from A is equal to A problem this one. We'll go next. This will try to finish it here. So what is given? Density is given. Density you already know it. Rho is equal to ml by 3. So m is equal to, what is it? Rho L cube. You put for m rho L cube, put, so P is equal to dimension, P is linear momentum, m rho L cube instead of m, then L T minus 1. So rho L raised to 4 T minus 1. What you got? Rho L raised to 4 P is equal to rho L raised to 4 T minus 1. Rho L raised to 4 T minus 1. T minus. Now, Niscont is velocity. V is equal to Lt minus 1. V is equal to Lt minus 1. So, what is L? L is equal to Vt gets. That you know, all of you know. So put here P is equal to rho Vt raised to 4 into T minus 1. So, rho V raised to 4, T raised to 4, T minus 1. That is rho V raised to 4 T cube. Now, what is T? T is equal to 1 by nu, frequency. So, what will you get? P is equal to rho V raised to 4 1 by nu cube, rho V raised to 4 nu raised to minus 3. This is the dimension of linear momentum. Next question, surface tension. Surface tension, what is surface tension? Surface tension is S is equal to F by L. Surface tension. So, MLT minus 2 divided by L. So, surface tension dimension is S is equal to MT minus 2. Okay. S is equal to MT minus 2. Surface tension MT minus 2. This surface tension. Now, we will find out what is value of M. So, what are the quantities given? Density is given. Density, what is from density? M is rho is equal to ML by 3. Rho into L cube is M. We find out from earlier. So, we put here. So, rho L cube T minus 2. Now, V is equal to L is equal to Vt, we find out already that one. So, put here L is equal to Vt. S is equal to rho Vt the whole cube into T minus 2. So, S is equal to second part, okay? Second part. Rho V cube T cube T minus 2. S is equal to rho V cube T raised to 1. Now, T raised to 1. 1 by nu is equal to 1, T is equal to 1 by nu, T is equal to 1 by nu. You put it here, you put it here. So, what will you get? S is equal to rho VQ 1 by nu. That is rho VQ nu raised to minus 1 is the required dimension. Okay. In the expression, E is equal, P is equal to EL square M raised to minus 5. M raised to minus 5. It's okay. M raised to minus 5. m raised to minus 5, g raised to minus 2, semicolon, e m e comma m comma l m l and g are energy, angular momentum, angular momentum, and gravitational constant, angular momentum, mass, and gravitational constant, gravitational constant. Find dimension of P. Find dimensions of P. E is equal to energy, right? E, all of you know energy. Energy is equal to work done. Work done is equal to ml square T minus 2. L is angular momentum. L is equal to angular momentum. L is equal to mvr. Right formula. Okay. M into L square into T minus 1. Third one is mass. M is M only. Dimension M is equal to M. G is all of it. G. What is G? G is equal to, you write FR square divided by M1 M2. If you don't remember, it means ML minus 2 divided by L square by M square. So M minus 1 L cube T minus 1 is the dimensions of T minus 2 is the dimensions of G. ML cube M minus 1 L cube T minus 2 dimensions of G. Now put these values here. P is equal to PS is equal to E is equal to M. What is P? We'll write the formula here. P is equal to EL square M raised to minus 5 G raised to minus 2. M first one is, what is first one? M L square T minus 2, M L square T minus 2. Then again L square is equal to dimension M raised to M L square T minus 1 the whole square into M raised to minus 5 into G raised, it will be like G raised to minus to this step. Okay. Not put dimensions here. So what will you get here? M L square T raised to minus 2 into M square L raised to 4 T raised to minus 2. So M raised to minus 5. I put the dimension of G. I have no space here. I not put in there. M raised to minus 1 L cube T raised to minus 2 the whole raised to minus 2. What I will get here? Tell me. M cube M raised to minus 2 M raised to minus 2 L square L raised to 6 T raised to minus 2 T raised to minus 4. M raised to minus 1 minus 2 M raised to plus 2. Then L raised to minus 6. Then T raised to plus 4. So what will you get? M raised to minus to m square, that is m raised to 0. L raised to 6, L raised to minus L raised to 0. T raised to minus 4, T raised to 4, T raised to 0 is equal to 1. P is a dimensionless quantity. P is a dimensionless quantity.